In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock FIBA tournament in NBA 2K26. If you're trying to unlock the FIBA tournaments in NBA 2K26, you'll need to go through My Career and actually play in the NBA season. First, get yourself drafted and start your career. From here, you can either play every game or you can simulate most games and just focus on the key matchups. What really matters is the playoffs. You'll need to play those key playoff games and work your way to becoming a champion. That's the main step needed before the FIBA events open up. Once you finish the season and move into the off season, the game will load you back into My Court. Your agent will appear with some new quest. One of them will be play in a FIBA game. From there, just go to play next game inside My Career and you'll see a FIBA matchup option. You can select 3 teammates to join you, and once you load in, you're officially playing in the FIBA tournaments. That's all it takes. Play your season, win in the playoffs, and then unlock the FIBA quest in My Court. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.